Here we are in somewhere Illinois.
In a freaking car.
In a freaking car. There's Jock in a box. There's a pilot station.
Trying to open up this.
Trying to open up a
cat. And you can collect
meows.
Meows. Little.
And I had to get some Red Bull. Look how cute the can is. It's Wild Berries energy drink. It's really good.
Oh my.
We're coming back from our J-Hope concert.
Yes. Oh my God.
We're in Chicago. We're far from Chicago now. We're closer to St. Louis, actually.
Yeah.
But we're still in Illinois.
Oh my God. I'm gonna.
And I got static in the background.
Yay for static.
For static.
Okay, finally I got the freaking thing open.
Gotta capture the moment when you see what you got, right?
I would love to get one of these unicorn kitties. It says limited edition unicorn kitties.
Oh wow, that would be great.
How do I open this thing?
I don't know.
Excuse me, sorry. It's taped. Hold on.
Oh, yeah, be careful. Don't cut your finger off.
I cut my finger off.
That's my knife. That's my car knife I have in here in case somebody tries to F with me while I'm in the car, like in a big city. So I keep this knife inside my little, what do you call it? Hand rest here. Moving my arm for you.
Oh.
Alpha Mao.
God.
Seem to remember that one I got was hard to open too. I have a taco kitty at home that I got
Finally.
from this thing, but it was a long time ago and it cost a lot more money. Poster of what you can get.
That might be the one I got, actually.
Maybe the unicorn kitty.
Oh my God.
It's not the limited one though, but it is.
Yeah, it is a limited one.
It is?
Yes. If that's what I got, that is. No, I got something different.
Oh, it is a limited one. Oh, well, why don't they give you a picture of it? Why'd you get the yellow one?
Yeah.
Yellow and orange one?
Oh, it is. This one's a unicorn one. Look at how cute that is. Oh my God.
I think they're all unicorns.
Look at that. Oh, I love that face.
That's
it's
cute.
The ooh face.
Ooh, woo, woo.
Ooh, ooh, ooh.
Oh, that's cute.
The little tail on it. This is cute and it's fat. It's squishy. oh. Oh.
Yeah, I'm tempted to go and get another one.
Flex. Oh. If you want to, go ahead. Just make it quick.
All right, I'm gonna go back and get me one, and I'll be back.
Let's look at this poster real quick.
Maybe I can get a limited one.
I thought that would be sent for some reason. Look at how cute that is.
Yeah, they are cute.
There's all the different ones you can collect.
Oh,
His name is Sherbert the cat unicorn, the one I got.
Oh, okay.
Oh my God, these are adorable.
Alrighty, I'll be back then.
Box number 2, because my mom had to get one for herself.
Yes. You can't let go of a good deal.
Can't let go of a good deal. Here's the one that I got.
Deal like this.
This is Sherbert the unicorn kitty. Ain't he gorgeous? Look at his gorgeous mane.
I don't do many car unboxings.
No.
So this is different.
We also got some Reese's. Reese's chocolate lava big cup.
Yeah, I know. I never heard of chocolate lava. So I never heard of a lot of things. Okay. Oh, yeah, that's right. You have to cut it in 2 places. Let's see. Oh.
I guess I should have used your keys instead of the big freaking knife that was in there.
Oh yeah, that's right. Yeah.
It doesn't matter if you rip the boxes, but we got another one.
Keep a box. All right, what are we gonna get?
Did you get a poster too?
Yeah.
If you can get it out, just like slam the box. Oh my God! Oh, there it goes. It's the same poster.
There's a slip. There you go.
Oh,
yeah, there's some holes there.
Did you get the same one?
No.
Okay,
I could see
good.
it's blue.
Oh.
Oh, it's pretty.
Oh!
Oh,
Oh, she's cute. I think I saw that one on the list.
Got a little paw on it.
Oh my god. These are adorable
Yeah, they're
for
really
$5.
cute for $5. That's why nobody would pay 20 for them. That's what they were originally priced in there.
They're not worth no 20.
So what's this one called?
Here, take your poster.
Oh yeah.
This one's name is Sherbert, the one I got. I like his ooh-woo face.
Okay.
Ooh, ooh.
Oh, this is Aqua the unicorn cat.
Oh, she's pretty.
Aqua.
She's like Moxie colors.
Aqua the unicorn kitty.
Hi, I'm Sherbert. I'm handsome.
Oh.
Yes. Look, there's a Jack in the Box. You want to eat? You want to eat the Jack in the Box? Oh.
I would have liked to gotten this Clover.
Yeah, that one's cute.
That one's like good for St. Patrick's Day. Or maybe Buttercup. It's
yeah,
cute.
Buttercup looks cute.
And Bubblegum or Prism. Yeah. I mean, they're all cute. But anyways, that's our car unboxing. Hope you enjoyed it.
Yay.
Now it's time to go home.
Time to go home. Eat some Jack in the Box. How do you stop this thing?
Well, it should be an X there.
Where?
Right there, square. I'm sorry, not a